In Islam, we accept past events as Allah's will and know our intentions. When we freely choose goodness over evil, it is clear that we sincerely believe in it. Allah is the most merciful and just, and He creates what He wills and causes it to die when and how He wills. Life and death are not a matter of choice, as Allah has fixed the hour of death for each of us. Prophet Muhammad emphasized that it is not decided where we will end up, but rather our decisions shape our future. Allah knows our intentions and records them as our destiny. In terms of marriage and children, Allah decrees it before we are born, and it is His will whether we have fruitful marriages or not. There is no accidental birth, as Allah creates us as He wills, and the birth of each and every one of us is a miraculous event. In Islam, we accept past events as Allah's will, and everything happens according to His will. We are all unique, with no two people being exactly alike. We all have limitations, but we can find ways to assist them. Allah is merciful, and we should be attentive, take care, defend ourselves, seek Allah's help, and remember Him at all times.